So just tap on my Binance account and officially logged in, and I will just move in my wallet icon, which is top right bottom corner. Just tap on it, and now I will be just tap on this pay button, and after inside I will just go on the top corner. You will see the scanner. So when I was tap on it,
So by scanning in this way, it's mean to connect whatever wallet you have with your external wallet. So you extract its QR code like this and scan it with your Binance e-scanner, and your external wallet will be connected. So as many as they are. So it's very easy and simple. You can just attach it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.